Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gangstar Vegas. First, ensure you have the game installed on your mobile device. Upon launching, you'll be guided through an essential tutorial that covers movement, combat, and driving. Pay close attention to these instructions, as they form the foundation of your gameplay. After the tutorial, the expansive open world of Vegas is yours to explore. Familiarize yourself with the map and available missions. Combat in Gangstar Vegas involves a wide array of weapons. You can switch between pistols, shotguns, assault rifles, and even rocket launchers to suit different situations. Driving is also a core mechanic, master handling various vehicles like sports cars, motorcycles, and trucks. Remember to use cover during gunfights and practice your aim. Melee attacks are effective for quick takedowns when enemies are close. Progress through the game by completing main story missions, which unlock new areas and challenges. Beyond the main story, engage in side missions, races, and other events to earn valuable in-game currency. This money is crucial for purchasing new weapons, vehicles, and outfits. Don't forget to invest in character upgrades to improve health, damage, and other vital statistics, making you more formidable. To truly dominate Gangstar Vegas, participate in limited-time events for exclusive rewards and substantial bonuses. Experiment with different weapon loadouts and vehicle types to find what suits your playstyle best. Customizing your character with unique clothing and accessories also adds a personal touch to your criminal empire. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. These tips will help you become a true Vegas legend.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.